Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 175. This was the 21st of February 2023. This was a Tuesday. I'm a day late posting this. So I did 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 6-minute jog. I worked on books. I worked a little bit on the solar business, Remote Wellness Academy, and insurance. So I had a lot of stuff going on day 175. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe. And my gratitude of the day goes to people who develop medicines. I had a doctor's appointment for my daughter, and I'm grateful that, first of all, grateful for the doctors and medical staff. I think I've covered that before in earlier videos, but I'm also grateful that we have medicines and technologies, and those are brought to you by people in the pharmaceutical industry, right? If they didn't develop these things, and they do it for profit, but profit is only part of the equation. They have to get paid, and they need to make a lot of money to come up with these innovations. So I'm grateful that we have them, right? Because if we didn't have them, life would be pretty much unbearable. So say what you want about the pharmaceutical industry, the people who provide medical services and whatnot. I'm glad that they're there. I'm glad we have them. Even though, sometimes we can grumble about how much things cost. We're better having them than not having them. So if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.